Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started with our development process. So we'll focus on step one of setting up our database tables. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and open up a web browser. And we're going to download some starter files for us. So go to the website on the screen to download the e-commerce starter files. Alrighty, so we have the files downloaded. I'll just swing over to my file system and look at my downloads directory. And I'll just do a quick unzip of that file. And I'll open up a new window. And what I'll do is I'll create a new folder here in my file system. I can use any folder name, but in this example, I'll call it e-commerce project. This is where I'll place all of my e-commerce project files. I'll just move into this folder real quick. And I'll just move these starter files down to this e-commerce project folder. And these starter files are for images, database scripts, and Spring Boot application properties. We'll get into all that stuff later. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and swing over to MySQL Workbench. And I'll go ahead and connect into my system using root. And I'll open up one of those SQL scripts. So in my starter files directory, I'll open up createuser.sql. And so this file basically just creates the user e-commerce app with the password e-commerce app. You can feel free to change those if you'd like. All right, let's go ahead and run the script. All right, so I can go look at my users over here on the side in the management tab. So if it's not open, you can kind of just click that management tab there and it will expand it. Click on your users and privileges, and there should be a new user here that we just created, e-commerce app. Alrighty, so let's open up one more script here. And we'll open up the script o2 createproducts.sql. And so at a very high level, this script here will create our schema, full stack e-commerce. It'll create our tables for product and product category, and also load sample data. All right, let's go ahead and run the script. And move over to schemas here and just do a refresh all, and we should see the new schema. Full stack e-commerce. Looks good. And then this schema has two tables, product and product category. And we can run some queries on these tables here real quick just to see the data. So at the moment, we only have one category for books. And then we have 5 products in our database table. All right, this looks pretty good so far.